All right, here we are. This is cooking during COVID. Cooking during COVID. Yeah, it's episode 4. We're gonna make fucking smoothies. So we've reached the point in the pandemic where we actually are not able to eat solid food anymore. So, I mean, minimal. So we're just gonna turn everything into drinks. Guess what? I don't have anything fucking else to do except for figure out ways to get food in my body. So here we are. First, you get your blender and also plug it in. Ta-da! Fucking bananas. I love bananas. They're great. I want them in my smoothie. This one got old, so I peeled it and I froze it. Now I'm gonna use it. The bananas are in the blender. Fresh Thyme has the cheapest berries ever. Wash your berries, you dirty people. You put some berries in. Probably won't use this whole thing. This is your carbohydrate base. So when I make smoothies, just like base, carbohydrates, what are the flavors? Blueberry, banana. Okay, do we need another carbohydrate flavor? I believe so, because we have no sour in this situation. I'm just gonna put a whole fucking lime in there. Okay, I peeled it. And now I'm gonna put it in. And then we have our carbohydrate base with a flavor profile that will be delicious. So then you need some fat, so we're gonna put in the avocado. Just half. The avocado got in, see? Okay, so then you need a protein. Usually I would put the collagen peptides in this, but I don't have any, so I'm gonna put chocolate protein powder because it's like the situation that I have, so it's what's gonna go into my body. Cool, awesome. Okay, there it's in. And lastly, we need liquid. I'm using this. Then you put it in. Yum! Yum! Look at it. Sometimes when I'm dancing around in my apartment to music, I wonder if Jen Brown is looking at me. Finally, you put it on and then you push. There it goes! And the final reveal. Yum! Look at it! This calls for a crystal stemless wine glass monogrammed with my initials on it. And for the first little sippy. Yo, I should win an award for this shit. It's actually real good. Try it. Like, I would make that again for sure tomorrow. I'm gonna make it again tomorrow.